Up Harmony One holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. Once again, I'm present with the urgent alert news for all TGB coin holders. Just keep watching this video for more details and for better understand about Harmony One coin, my friends. Anyways, before starting this video, please I request everyone to please click the subscribe button. Also like this video, my friends. The currently latest price changes of the Harmony One coin is 0.05 USD dollar. 0.05 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Harmony One coin. Furthermore, if we talk about the BTC price of the Harmony, so 0.0000177 BTC price of the Harmony One coin. Furthermore, the market cap is here at 24 hours trailing volume, available supply, total supply. Every update is present on the front of your eyes. You can easily read out this reading, my friends. My friends, furthermore, if we talk about the price of the Harmony coin, so the price changes is at this time, my friends. If we talk about the last 60 minutes, so my friends, in the last 60 minutes you are in the profit. The price change in the last 60 minutes is 2.25% positive. Absolutely, that's a huge jump. That's a good jump of the Harmony One coin. I really like this jump, like this pump of Harmony One coin. And you know what? The previous change is a negative. The previous last 1 week, last 24 hours price change is okay, and the Harmony is negative. But now the latest change is going good. So I believe that they will continue this pump for a long time. Let me show you the price chart, my friends. So my friends, from this chart, that's clear that previous time is a bad time of Harmony, but now the current time is a good time, my friends. Anyways, how do you feel today about Harmony? Please also share your opinion in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.